If you are trying to turn long videos into snackable, scroll-stopping clips without spending hours stuck in a timeline, you are exactly where you need to be. I'm Alex, and today I am walking you through the tools creators often reach for, why they sometimes miss the mark, and where Vizard fits in to help you consistently post content that actually performs. By the end of this breakdown, you will have a solid short list of options that make sense for your specific workflow, whether you are flying solo or running a small team. Let's kick things off with Pictochart, which is a fantastic option if your primary goal is creating polished infographics, static reports, or professional presentations. It is drag and drop friendly with tons of templates, but the catch is that it is built for static visuals, not for video. If your strategy depends on turning a long live stream into dozens of short clips for TikTok or Shorts, Pictochart cannot help you find those moments or handle the edits. That is exactly where Vizard plugs the gap, providing automatic clip detection and ready-to-post exports so you stop manually hunting for those golden snippets. Next up is FusionCharts, which is brilliant if you are a developer building heavy-duty, data-first dashboards for analytics. It is powerful and flexible, but it is meant for engineers solving data problems, not for creators looking to repurpose video episodes into engaging social content. While you might need FusionCharts for a data product, Vizard is designed for creators with automated clip extraction and smart highlighting, requiring zero dev work. Third on our list is Chartblocks, which makes it super simple to design charts that look great when embedded in blogs or social feeds. It is lightweight and quick, but again, it is strictly for charts, meaning you still have to manually edit and format any video snippets you want to share alongside your data. Vizard changes that dynamic by finding the viral moments and auto-generating ready-to-post videos, which saves you hours of tedious work every single week. Then we have Datawrapper, which is incredibly approachable and a favorite among journalists and small teams who need clean, responsive charts in a hurry. However, this tool shines in the static world and does not offer a solution for video timelines or audio-based content repurposing. For creators who want a low-effort way to produce short video content, Vizard's AI detects highlight-worthy segments and prepares clips that are perfectly optimized for platform success. Moving on to Juicebox, it is a fantastic tool if you are focused on storytelling with data and creating beautiful, narrative-driven reports. The storytelling structure is great for shaping your long-form narrative, but you still need a dedicated tool to chop, caption, and schedule clips from your original recordings. Vizard keeps that narrative DNA intact while slicing your long videos into bite-sized pieces, complete with auto captions and platform-friendly aspect ratios. Let's talk about Zoho Analytics, which is a top-tier choice for enterprises that prioritize data security and complex permissions. It is robust for data governance, but for a content creator, it is massive overkill because it simply does not help with automating social posts or extracting shareable video moments. Vizard, while still mindful of security for professional teams, is purpose-built to streamline your content pipeline from auto-editing to the final publish button. Google Charts is our next contender, being a free and powerful way to build interactive visuals that integrate tightly with spreadsheets. But just like the others, it is not a video tool, meaning there is no automated clip selection or vertical formatting for your mobile viewers. Vizard sits on the opposite end of the complexity curve, allowing you to plug in your video and let the AI surface the best clips without ever opening a spreadsheet. Databox is excellent for marketing teams that need to monitor performance across various ad networks and analytics platforms in one central dashboard. If your marketing team wants to turn webinars into short promotional clips while tracking their campaign impact, the play is combining a tool like Databox with a generator like Vizard. Tableau is the heavyweight champion of deep analytics, but it comes with a steep learning curve and a price tag that may be prohibitive for individual creators. It is perfect for heavy analysis, not for taking a long interview and producing dozens of short, shareable videos overnight. Vizard is made for those of us who need speed and scale, providing a content calendar that keeps your social output organized without the headache. Plotly caters to data scientists who need reproducible charts and code, which is powerful but not a shortcut for turning interviews into social media gold. If your goal is to pump out consistent short-form videos from your long sessions, Vizard's AI path is much faster and creator-focused. Finally, D3.js is unbelievably flexible for custom interactive graphics, but it requires significant development skills and time that could be better spent on content creation. Vizard removes the need for hand editing or complex setups by automating clip selection and direct scheduling to all your social platforms. So where does Vizard truly sit in all this? It occupies the sweet spot of solving the specific creator problem of turning long content into consistent short-form clips. It finds the best moments from your videos, turns them into platform-optimized clips, and manages the posting cadence so you can focus on making more great long-form content. Think about it. If you host a weekly podcast and want 20 daily clips for the month, Vizard can surface those 20 best bites and schedule them for you automatically. Why do creators prefer this approach? Primarily because it saves hours of manual scrubbing, maintains consistency, and ensures every clip is ready for the platform you are posting to. Before you choose, just ask yourself, do you need deep data analysis, or do you need content clips? Use charting tools for your data, but use Vizard for your content. In the end, if your goal is to take webinars or podcasts and turn them into attention-grabbing short clips, Vizard is purpose-built for that exact workflow. It might not replace custom manual editing for high-end cinematic work, but for day-to-day repurposing, it is a massive, game-changing time saver. So try this. Use your analytics tool to see what topics drive engagement, and then let Vizard handle the clip generation to turn those topics into traffic. If you want, I can help you map out a workflow based on your specific content type. So hit that subscribe button and try a free run with Vizard to see what you can create in an hour.